Hey guys, J.R. Fisher here, and I want to talk to you about how to succeed in having an online business. And I got to tell you, it's like the same problem I see over and over again why people don't succeed. And here's the number one problem why they don't succeed. The number one obstacle that keeps them from really achieving anything is, are you ready for it? They don't start. No, I mean, they really don't start. Sure, you know, they go and they set up a Shopify store and they kind of put some products on it and, you know, they dabble with it a little bit, but they don't really start. And I hear every excuse under the sun for this. I mean, you say, well, no, they built a store, so they started, right? No, starting is really taking it serious. Starting is, you know, running ads, and when they don't work, you keep running the ads. And when you try a product and nobody clicks on it, you try a different product, and you try a different image, and I mean, you're serious about it. You don't quit. And that's it. Maybe that's it. They start a little bit, but they immediately quit. They say, well, I'm not good at this, or Shopify stores don't work anymore, or you can't sell stuff online because you can't compete with Amazon, and blah, 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 blah. That's what I hear over and over again. I've been doing this now for going on 9 years, and I got to tell you, I've seen a lot of people come and go, and it's usually because they get a little frustrated and maybe they lose a little bit of money and they don't try to really learn and apply what they learn. Now, I do see a lot of people learning is one thing, but applying is another thing. It's vastly different. I've seen people take all kinds of courses and go to every single webinar there is and every single conference, and they do all that stuff, but they don't really apply the stuff. And I mean, that's what it comes down to, because when I got started, literally, I was horrible about even doing an email. I couldn't do an email. I was super excited when I found a little hack or a trick, and here's the hack or trick I found. Use the forward button. Use the reply button. See, I didn't know that. I didn't know that you could hit the reply button or the forward button. I would copy and paste their address and start another email. Now you say, well, JR, that's really dumb. Yeah, it was, okay? It was dumb. And why was it dumb? Because I didn't know any better. The point here is, I don't care what level you start at. I have products now that we've sold millions and millions of dollars. I have courses that, you know, made incredible money. I do coaching and charge thousands of dollars an hour. And here's the thing, I would have never ever gotten to any of those things if I hadn't failed at the beginning by you know, learning how to do a forward or reply on an email or trying to sell cell phone cases, which is what I started off doing, and that has nothing to do with what I'm doing now. So when you're starting this off, guys, don't worry about, you know, if that's going to be the product that you're going to sell for the rest of your life. The whole thing is, you got to get your feet wet. You got to get in there. You got to learn some of these techniques. You got to try things out. And as you do that, you will learn more and more things. And as you learn more and more things, it's going to take you in different directions. You're going to sell different products, and things are going to go wrong and things are going to go right, but you're going to get a higher and higher level of understanding, and you're going to learn how to do things. Heck, I can do all kinds of computer things now that I would have never imagined back. Heck, I didn't even know what they were back then. I'm doing things now that I didn't even know existed when I started. How about that? How is that? That is quite simply because I just didn't quit. You know, what's your motivator? Is it your job? Is it not enough money? Is it not enough time? Is it, you know, I don't know, your family? What is it that's motivating you? And that one thing you need to kind of put in your brain and say, you know what, if I don't succeed at online sales and selling products, then I got to go back to that same boss I don't like. And I've got to go back to that same salary I don't like. And I got to go back to not seeing my family. And I got to go back to not having any freedom. Doesn't that motivate you? I mean, are you just going to hang out and wait for somebody to tap you on the shoulder and say, hey, I've got the secret for you. Here you go. Here's the secret business that nobody knew about, and I'm just going to give it to you. It ain't going to happen. You've got to get your feet wet. You've got to start. You got to get out there, and you've got to not quit, because just, you know, starting without, here's the key. You got to start and not quit, because just because you started, if you quit, then that's like not starting at all. You just wasted everything, right? Kind of like watching this video right now. if you've watched this video this far, then there must be something in the back of your brain that's resonating right now. Otherwise, you would have clicked off. You would have said, I'm not going to watch the rest of this video. But if something resonated with you and you feel like this could be you, I highly suggest, okay? I highly suggest that you get started and you do not quit. You can get more information on one of my sites, jrfisher.com. We've got all kinds of free stuff if you want to get stuff from us. That's cool. And if not, get it from somebody else, but do not quit. That's my little input for today. And get started. Quit learning and get started.